This is a newly Armstrong, and this is a heat pump. This is a reversing valve. I don't know if that's a reversing valve, but it says listed section air conditioning. And it's like an intertherm I saw on YouTube from someone else doing a video. It's got 4 blades, just like an intertherm. And my neighbor's carrier unit. And a friend. There it is. An carrier unit. I'm gonna have to make this quick because it's starting to rain. What it's from, I don't know what year it's from because I can't get any closer. I'm gonna have to do this quick because I have too much videos. Thank you for watching. Anyways, this. Oh, I'm not done with the video yet. There it is. An old carrier. We're gonna have to do this quick because it's starting to rain. Carrier, you can see. Now this is recording your voice, right? I'm doing. And here it is. And where's the sticker? Crammed way back here.
Hey, Reece, can you do this?
Model, nothing. What a waste of time. No model number? Oh, this is the first part.
Want to say hi?
Model number is 4SCU 14 LE 13 6P.
Hey, Reece, look at this.
Serial number is 1611 605
Look what I found.
539.
Hey, Reece, look. Found something.
Something on the air conditioner? I don't know what the heck that is. What is that? Nothing.
No, these. The words.
No. Efficiency, energy efficient, comfortable, and dependable. And it also says quiet operation, efficient energy. It's newly installed. Kind of a hack install because actually it's a good install. Oh look, it's a cut. It's cut in the line.
You have except for.
And it says it's straight cool unit, but it has a reversing valve, so it's a heat pump. I don't know if that's a reversing valve or not. I think it's from like 2008 or something. It doesn't have the sticker on it. On most units like this, I've seen people know what year this is. It's made. It's got a bunch of spider webs.
Hey, want to say something? Something cool that you'll probably like?
What? Inside? And here's the good old carrier. I think the compressor just shut off. Gonna have to do this quick because it's raining. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Over and out.